Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to flatten land in OpenTTD. So let's say you've got a big rail project going on, or perhaps you want to set a new bus route up and you need to effectively flatten some mountainous terrain like you can see here. In order to do this, all we need to do is come over to the landscaping tool here by pressing this button here, which brings up the landscaping tool. And in the landscaping tool, you can see three different kinds of terraforming options. You've got the down icon, the up icon, and then the equals icon. Now, each one of these does their own thing. So for example, here with the down icon, I have just flattened parts of that earth just there. I can also use this to drag and drop to flatten a bigger section of earth if I want. Likewise, if I want to increase the height of the earth, I can bring it up using the up icon. And then we've got the equals icon here. Now, the equals icon actually will terraform from the point of your selection. So for example, here you can see I'm currently moving my mouse around. We've got this little white dot. If I hold down on my mouse key from where this white dot is on this layer and I drag it out like this, you can see that it has reduced that height. However, if I hold it up here and drag it out, it will increase that height respectively. And that effectively allows us to terraform large chunks of land very quickly. It is important to note that if you are terraforming water like this, for example, this is not cheap to do. And if I hold down here, you can see that that has cost us £27,000 to just terraform that small bit of water, and another £17,000 there. So it can get very expensive very quickly if you are looking to terraform large chunks of land. A quick solution to that, if you're building a railway, is to just tunnel under various segments of land if you need to. But again, that's only if that works for you. But that is how you terraform in OpenTTD. I hope this tutorial has helped.